Jarvis, you there?
At your service, sir.
Gauge heads-up display.
What's up guys, Tekshan here back with another video. If you're following me, you guys should be knowing I'm a fan of superheroes. And when it comes to Marvel, I go crazy. I collect figurines of all sizes, be it Funko Pops, official Hasbro stuff, and Chinese clones. Off lately, I was a little busy with my small studio revamp, so slowly adding things I like. And action figurines cannot escape. And in this process, I stumbled upon something interesting and I immediately wanted to share it with you guys. And here it is. This is the Ironman Mark 43 30cm approximately 12 inches 1:6 scale model action figurine. Top on my favorite list in the Marvel Cinematic Universe is the Iron Man for a lot of reasons. One being he's super techie, who started the whole Marvel Cinematic Universe. Hoo, you guys know where it is now. Okay, enough said, let's get to this. Hot Toys is a famous brand for full-scale models of movie characters. However, they are so damn expensive, and I don't want to burn my pocket by spending $800 for a figurine. With an exhaustive search, I found a Chinese bootleg which almost resembles the original closely. Only God knows how these Chinese alone can clone anything and everything. Opening up the box, you have the Iron Man Mark 43 action figure. Then you get an additional pair of hands with repulsive beam, an additional helmet, 8 button batteries, yes it has LED light, we'll show you in a bit, then a nice stand. So here you go, this is the Mark 43 Iron Man in his glory. The figurine is 30 centimeters, approximately 12 inches in height and is made of PVC. It's a big one. The details of the armor is so articulated. I'm impressed with the paint, finish, even though it's not the original. Damn, that's impressive. Has a nice metallic finish overall. Mark 43 is the armor Iron Man was using in Age of Ultron and is made of gold, titanium and alloy. The armor pieces can attach to itself on Tony's command. You remember the scene where Iron Man meets Ultron at the ship in the movie Age of Ultron? Followed by a super intense action scene? It was awesome. The best part of this is the center arc reactor and his repulsive beam in hands glow up with LED. It has individual controls which makes it pretty cool. You have two types of hand. One which is kind of folded, the other more an open type which has an opening for LED light. If you ask me about the eyes, well, hold on. I like the posture, getting ready to attack. You know what? Action figurines are the ones which you can change the posture. Since you can move the hands, legs, head, body, pretty much flexible, helps get a nice posture you need. Phew, this is so cool. Well, let me show you something even more cooler. Ta-da! The faceplate can be removed and you see Tony inside. Haha! You have a magnet on the helmet where you can keep the faceplate like this. So thoughtful. Moving on, as shown earlier, you get another helmet which is the LED light version. Remove the head plate and then again pull it up and there is a switch for the light. Switching it on, awesome. I like the kind of options they give you with this. And this figurine comes with a nice stand. You get a clip in the center to hold the figurine. Given the height, I don't think you can get flying postures, but you can play around with standing postures with different actions. Here are a few quick ones I came up with. You guys let me know in the comments if you like Iron Man and which is your favorite suit. So that's it for this super quick non-tech video. Hope you guys liked it. Let me know if you would love to see occasional non-tech videos on the channel. And if you want to grab this figurine, we'll leave the Best Buy link in the description. Don't forget to smash that thumbs up button if you like Iron Man. And subscribe to TechShan if you like me. We'll catch you in another exciting video. Until then, I have more exciting videos on the channel. Go ahead and check it out.